Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing an experience when the time froze for everyone except for me. The cars were frozen on the middle of the road. The people stood still like statues. At first it felt very exciting, but then I realized something very surprising. A world without moving people felt lonely. The laughters, the conversation, and the connections were missing. And I learned one important lesson that day, that the life is not about having more time. It is about noticing the moments that make time very meaningful. Thank you.